We just landed on the moon in the Lambo. Taking pictures with the zoom and the angle. We'll be coming back to you with the samples. Operations coming soon with a halo. We just landed on the moon in the Lambo. Taking pictures with the zoom and the
Hello, future millionaires. This is Aztec and this is the CSC. Today we're going to talk about EasyFi. Now, I will be outlining certain DeFi projects that I am most bullish on in videos to come, but EasyFi is the project that is coming out very soon, probably this week, and I want to set you guys up, not financial advice, but I want to set you guys up if you want to be able to get ready and start farming Easy, which is their government's token. And I'm going to go ahead and this is going to be a little technical at some part of the video. We will be going over how to set up your wallet for farming Easy on layer 2 Matic network. Now, this setting up your wallet like this is mandatory to be able to farm Easy and take advantage of layer 2, the Matic network, where you're going to have a lot more cost-effective transactions and obviously the quick transactions on the Matic network. So we're going to go over this. I'm going to talk about who EasyFi is. I did recently talk about them, but because this is going to be EasyFi kind of oriented video, I'm going to go ahead and bring up who they are just really quickly, and I'll go ahead and show you how to make everything happen so you can be ready to farm Easy. And we're going to talk about the bridges that the Matic network has, proof of stake and plasma, and we're even going to go at the end of my video, we'll go ahead and go over my Twitter. There's some tweets that I think are kind of newsworthy. So today it's going to be jam-packed with information. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, EasyFi. EasyFi is a layer 2 DeFi lending protocol for digital assets powered by Matic Network, taking a strong community-oriented governance approach with Easy. So again, Easy is their LP token or government's token, and basically the reason I'm so bullish on this project is because this is Gen 2 DeFi. Now, a lot of people kind of are talking about the market crashing. Just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. I don't think that's going to happen in October, but that's just my opinion. I think that we have some time before another major correction. I think there's going to be money that's going to be pumped into the markets, and I want to take advantage of this EasyFi opportunity because I think that since they're coming out this week, I think that jumping on early is going to be a really good move for myself. Obviously you guys do what you want, but basically, I know DeFi has taken a pullback, but I really think it's going to take off again exponentially because DeFi is evolving. Layer 2s are now empowering DeFi to go to the next level, and I really think that when you have cheaper gas costs and faster transactions, the whole DeFi ecosystem and the protocols are going to be able to do a lot more. More people are going to jump on board because it's going to be actually cost effective and lucrative to be a part of it again. So EasyFi, reason why I'm so bullish, just to kind of go over this real quickly, it's a lending protocol for digital assets, coming soon. Real catalyst for adoption of DeFi, yes. Now, specifically, there's two things here that I'll outline, and that is under-collateralized loans and credit delegation. So, under-collateralized loans are going to be one of the most important innovations of the lending industry to enable strong adoption and trust in decentralized lending. Connected with Trust Score, a decentralized rating mechanism built by CoinFox, EasyFi will enable the community to access billions in the capital that can be allocated efficiently because of the trust score, almost like a credit score that's assigned to a person based off their history. Now, in a little bit more detailed explanation, it says credit delegation here. EasyFi will enable credit delegation as one of its core products for more trust-based loans where both parties either know each other or accept the level of risk by deciding upon the trust score of the borrower. The delegation will typically come into play for loans above a certain size, enabling financing of various needs of trusted entities via the protocol. So what I'm looking for when I make an investment in DeFi is, why are they unique? And I can honestly say EasyFi is unique because of these things here. So under collateralized lending and credit delegation, right now that's not really integrated into any of the projects that I know of, and I think this is going to be revolutionary. So I'm very bullish on this project, and knowing that they're going to be scaled by the Matic network, have ties with a lot of very brilliant people in the industry, and Kit is a very brilliant guy. He is behind this project, and knowing these things, it makes me extremely excited about this project. So let's go ahead and go over how to get ready to start mining easy. So this is a guide. It's a Medium guide. It's actually written by the EasyFi network. You can click here and see all the other blogs that they've made, but this is a guide how to set up your wallet for farming easy on layer 2 Matic network. I'm going to go over it, but then I'm also going to kind of show you a couple things here to make it kind of visual. This does have visuals here. It's very easy to follow, but just in case, we'll kind of just go through it. Now it says we are almost ready to go live with 3 markets, namely USDT, USDC, and DAI. Users will be able to supply and borrow these tokens and farm easy with ease. Now, before you can do that, they have to go live and you have to set up your wallet. So basically setting up MetaMask for Matic Mainnet, custom RPC mapping Mainnet. Bunch of big words here. It's really not that hard, guys. Really though, what you want to do is get MetaMask. I'm not going to go over how to set up MetaMask because there's a lot of other videos to do that. I don't want to take time from this video. So if you don't have MetaMask and you want to start getting into DeFi, I would definitely suggest getting MetaMask. That's my favorite wallet that integrates with a lot of the DeFi and Web3 type projects. But go ahead and do that. There's tons of YouTube videos. And then, once you have it, you'll have the MetaMask emblem right here in the top right-hand corner of the screen. So then all you need to do is connect your MetaMask to Matic custom RPC mapping mainnet. So you can kind of skip down right over to this information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. You're going to go ahead and click your wallet open. And this is a test wallet, guys. I don't hook up my my main wallet that I do staking and that I have a lot more money on on my videos. This is just a test wallet. So basically on this wallet I just have like $20 of ETH, and you would click here and you can see here, you can click right up here. You have all your networks. Now I already have a Matic Mainnet network set up on this that I custom set up. But that's where you can find this part here, and it shows click the custom RPC. So basically you'd click your wallet, it opens up, you'd click right here where it says main Ethereum network, you'd scroll down to custom RPC and you're going to get this little setup here. Now once you do that, you can just scroll down, and for yourself I would read the blog in detail, but just real quick to show you how easy this is. You're just going to type in this information. So you would, click your wallet again, main Ethereum network. You click right up here to change. You want to create your own custom RPC, and it's really easy. It's just plug and play right here. You're going to do, type in Matic Mainnet. You're going to type in right here https://RPC -mainnet.matic.network. You're going to put the chain ID 137. You can type in Matic. That's the actual symbol of the network. And then you put the Explorer. So this ties it into the Matic Network Explorer. And then you would just click Save. It's really that easy. And then what you would get is, once that's saved, when you click right up here on your networks, your custom RPC new network is going to show right here. It's going to say Matic network. There's like a little question mark next to it right here. And then you would be able to actually click on it and switch right over to the Matic network. So scrolling down, the next portion, it says transferring your assets from ETH main chain to Matic mainnet. So you'll click this link here. This is the Matic wallet, and it'll basically bring you to your Matic wallet. If you're doing this for the first time, you're not going to have any money here. You're going to need to send money to this wallet, and it's really easy to receive funds here. You can just click receive right here. If you have some funds on a phone, or if you basically have funds on a ledger or whatever, you're just going to go ahead and send it to your wallet address. So again, you're going to click receive. You're going to send your funds to this address. If you have it on a phone, you can actually just scan this right here and send the funds right over. That's how you do that. And then once you have your funds on this wallet, it does say that you're going to connect your MetaMask to the wallet. So it says once you access your wallet, you need to connect with MetaMask account. Matic Web Wallet supports MetaMask. After you connect to the MetaMask account, it will navigate to your landing page of the Matic wallet. You can easily deposit your funds from Ethereum to Matic using the web wallet. You will need to ensure that you have ETH or ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum mainnet. You need to switch from Plasma Bridge to Proof of Stake. So I'm going to show you how to do this, show you exactly how easy it is. So essentially what it's saying when it says connect your MetaMask to your Matic network wallet here is that when you actually click the link here for wallet.matic.network, it's where it pulls up this wallet. You're going to get a little MetaMask transaction that you're going to sign, and it's going to say, do you want to connect the wallets? I'm already connected. So basically, it's just a couple clicks, sign and connect, and then you're connected. Once you're connected, you can go ahead and switch to proof of stake. It's really just as easy as a click. So switching to proof of stake generally doesn't take very long. There you go. So now you know that you're on the proof of stake bridge and not the Plasma bridge, because it would say switch to Plasma here if you're on already on the proof of stake, and if you're not, then of course you're on the Plasma bridge and it'll say switch to proof of stake. So just to kind of give you a brief overview of the two options you have, and the reason why you would want to do proof of stake POS bridge recommended is because yes, the security is less on the proof of stake bridge because it's not piggybacking off of the Plasma bridge and the Ethereum security, the main Ethereum security. But you do, with the proof of stake bridge, you are getting a proof of stake system secured by a robust set of external validators. So all of the validators that we have currently, and these are the the main validators, professional validators that are currently running. So you're still extremely safe, and you can use the proof of stake bridge currently, and it only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to transport your Ethereum or ERC20 tokens over to the Matic network. So it says right here, dApp developers looking for flexibility and faster withdrawals with proof of stake system security. So that's why I use the proof of stake. It's just quicker because over here, it basically takes this amount of minutes or 7 days of challenge period. So, obviously you want it a lot quicker. So after you switch over to proof of stake bridge, then you would just click right here where it says Matic wallet, and you could click right here where it says deposit, and you would deposit whatever you want over. So, like you could press all, and you'd click deposit Ether. And this is the little transaction thing that I'm talking about for your MetaMask wallet. you could so basically there's insufficient funds currently for me to do this because I pushed all, so I have to leave some amount for the fee. So it's like a $3 fee. So like for instance, if I did 50% deposit, I'm leaving some amount. What you'd want to do is just kind of figure out whatever the fee is going to be for a certain amount and at that time, and then you could press all and then see what the gas fee is going to look like, and then type in the exact amount so you could get as close to as much of the amount if you're moving all of it directly over. But then you would just press confirm. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and it goes over to the Matic mainnet, and then you're ready to start mining easy when they come available. You'll be able to use their EasyFi DeFi protocol, and obviously it's not out yet. The interface, they have like they did a tweet, and it kind of shows how easy it is to use their interface and how nice it looks. But basically this is what you want to do beforehand, so when they come out you can be one of the first people to start providing liquidity and mining LP tokens. So that is that. Now in regards to my Twitter, so there's some pretty cool tweets lately, guys. Recently, Ivan on Tech noticed the Matic network mainnet transactions are increasing exponentially. So basically, on the mainnet, there's all these dApps that are already deploying, and all these transactions are happening. And of course, when these transactions are happening, Matic is being used to, as gas on the Matic network. So that is, really cool. But also, this is showing us that dApps are already taking off. There's not just like dead dApps on the network, that are there. People are actually using these dApps. So it's really cool also, obviously, that Ivan on Tech noticed, and he actually brought it up, and I'll go ahead and just show you this here.
Setting new records. And right now seeing 125,000 transactions on Mainnet on a single day, which is 30% of all the transactions the network saw since it went live. This is huge. We're seeing a big inflow of interest in Layer 2 solutions. And this is something that is only just...
So it's just starting, like he's saying, and this is huge because it's a lot of transactions. The dApps are really doing well. It's awesome to see that the Matic network mainnet is successful. It's truly successful, and big guys like Ivan on Tech are noticing. I kind of said in the tweet, this is not financial advice, but I said Ivan noticed, devs are noticing, more awesome dApps equals retail noticing equals price goes up equals FOMO, equals everyone makes money essentially. At least that's how it goes in my head. And yeah, it's a big deal, guys. Also recently I made this video for BadBit Games. It's 100% decentralized casino dApp that's already running on the Matic mainnet. I'm actually going to be prioritizing some time. I know some of you guys you might not care about the dApps specifically that that I might be covering, but I do want to give credit to these dApps that are coming over and kind of explain them, to kind of shed some light on them so people can realize how nice these dApps are, and the types of dApps that are available on the Matic mainnet. These are not some little BS dApps. These are some really powerful dApps, guys, that are launching on the Matic network. So this video here I recently posted and made it. You can go ahead and check it out. Subscribe to my channel. Right here it says Matic Mainnet dApp Review #1 BadBit Games. So definitely check that out if you're interested in casino type games. Of course, there's your own risk there and everything. Your winnings and your losses are not my. They have nothing to do with me. That's your own personal decision. But in regards to the next tweet here, we're thrilled to announce that Skizzle.email, a secure email file encryption service powered by Matic, and Taurus Labs is now live on the Matic mainnet. This project actually looks pretty interesting. I might give it some more information soon. This tweet actually didn't get very much likes, but I actually thought it was really cool because I said it's not surprising that the market has been buying BTC heavily around the 0.618. I'm a trader, so obviously I'm using my fibs, but the 0.618 is also right around the 10K area. So, whatever you kind of think is more significant, that's your own prerogative. But I think the 0.618 is a very big point, especially after retracement. I'll look for the price action and the structure to start moving towards the 0.618 from the high before I start buying again. But anyways, it says just look at these bull wicks. So let's finish the week of blood and start heading toward the 16K area. Okay, good talk. Let's do this. So bull wicks are these wicks right underneath the candlesticks, meaning it went down, but then it was bought up, pretty vigorously by the bulls, and that's why there's a wick underneath the candle. So there's a lot of wicks right over here, and there's some nice wicks right over here recently. This is a daily chart, and these are some pretty powerful signs, at least for that area. If we just quickly go over, I know a lot of you guys don't care about TA, but this is the area right here. This is the 0.618. This is a up fib, and basically, we've retraced from this 12.4 to 5K area, and you can see that price action really did get bought up at the 10K area and high 9K area, because a lot of these candles are closing up here right around the 0.618. You can see right here this price action came down directly to the 0.618 again, closes above the 0.618, and we bounced. And I think it's cool because in regards to the tweet, basically I said, hey, I pointed it out, and then you can see here, we came down off the 0.618, and if we look at the chart, we bounced, and we bounced heavily off of that part right after my tweet. So I thought that was cool. A lot of you guys may not know who Lunar Digital Assets are. They're basically a marketing and consultancy firm. I now work for them, and basically just want to say I work for them. I think it's awesome. I'm getting into the crypto space more and more. I have 2 full-time jobs right now. I'm working extremely hard. I work, in the medical field full-time. I work now in crypto full-time. It's an actual, it's a real job. And I'll talk more about my success story, at a later time. But I'm really, really privileged to work with them. I'm honored. They're an amazing team, very strong team. They work directly with the Matic network and some really strong projects that I'll talk about later. But yeah, so there's that. Then I tweeted this here. I believe we are in the disbelief phase. So Lark was asking, where are we on the Wall Street cheat sheet? Denial, complacency, anxiety, anger, maybe disbelief. Could it be Bitcoin? Or basically, what could it be? So if we look at this chart, now this is probably cut off, which is unfortunate because of my face over here. But essentially, you come up and you experience euphoria. I believe this was 2017. We came down, we capitulated. I really think that we've kind of come through this depression phase already, and we're in this disbelief. Now, people were like, we're already euphoric. Just look at, DeFi and all these things. Well, to me, this is just the start. There was some huge rallies before 2017 happened. I mean, when I got in 2016, Bitcoin was under $1,000. At the end of 2016, it was $1,000. That's when I was buying Bitcoin, and more heavily. XRP did exponential in 16 and the beginnings of 17 before this euphoric rise at the end of 2017. So there was definitely some big moves happening before the huge peak, the euphoria of 2017 in December and January of 2018. So people are saying, we already experienced that. We're basically going to capitulate again and crash. Now, there's some really big people thinking that this is just my opinion, guys. Just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, because the markets could all crash tomorrow, and we could capitulate and turn, get back into this anxiety, denial, panic, if they're correct. Like guys like Crypto Well are saying that we're just going to crash crazily. I don't believe that. I believe we are in a bull run. I believe we're in the disbelief phase. And the reason why we can be in the disbelief phase currently is because what a lot of people don't realize is right here, where you probably can't see, if you just pull up the Wall Street cheat sheet, save time, I'm just going to kind of explain it to you guys. On the chart, you see the run up like this, and then at the end of this chart, you see disbelief where it comes down. I think that's where we're at. And then you see over here where the start, it's down lower again, and it's kind of, up, down, and then it goes into hope, where you start, people are starting to say, a recovery, is this possible? Then optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria again. So I think what we're seeing is disbelief. People are saying this is just a sucker's rally. We're already just experienced euphoria with DeFi, and everything's about to capitulate again. And I think this is really just a correction, and then we're moving into hope soon. So in disbelief, in this phase, you do have a pullback, and that isn't capitulation. There's a huge difference between capitulation is kind of, basically it's what we had back in March. This right here, this is capitulation there. But I think this right here is capitulation? No, I think this is a pullback, and I think we're headed higher. That's just my opinion. I think we're in the disbelief phase. Let me know what you guys think. But I did say that everyone expects this entire year to be a giant bull trap, and I disagree. If you realize that the infrastructure that mass adoption requires is nearly complete, you might see things from my perspective. Ethereum Matic network, and of course you guys know I made videos towards the beginning of this year predicting that the Matic network and Ethereum would totally take everyone by surprise, take the show, because everyone was saying this was going to be the year of Bitcoin because of the halvening, and I saw through that. I knew it was going to be Ethereum that was going to steal the show, and it did. DeFi happened. There's tons of millionaires now because of DeFi. And I think this is just the beginning. I think this is like I said, the disbelief area. This is not a bull trap. This is just a correction. So that's my next prediction, that DeFi is going to evolve and that this market is just heating up, just starting up. That's just my prediction, not financial advice. All right. So then Matic also tweeted, Mainnet rollout phase 2 is firmly underway. Progress update. Following our phased Mainnet rollout strategy, phase 1 has been successfully completed, and we're making significant headway on phase 2 already. So basically in phase 2, just to kind of give you an idea, this is where all of the nodes are coming into play. These are professional nodes, and after they get a certain amount of nodes, they're going to move on to the next phase, which is phase 3, and that's where everyone else can not only delegate, but they can run their own node, and that's going to be huge. But right now we're decentralizing the Matic mainnet with this phase, and it's basically totally underway, and phase 1 is completed. Now, this was also a very powerful tweet, guys. This is Peter Kim, and if you actually look, he is part of Coinbase, and he's also, from my understanding, an advisor of the Matic network. But to keep it simple, guys, he did say, my side project, the USDC Layer 2 tech demo, is here. Free gasless transactions, super fast confirmations, works with existing EIP 712 Web3 wallets, non-custodial L1 to L2, compatible with Ethereum dApps, proof of stake, in L2. So basically USDC is now on layer 2, which is the Matic network. This is huge, guys, and he has a demo here. This is a really big deal. Basically we're having stable coins on the Matic network. So those were some of the big tweets I wanted to go over today, but in general, there's a lot of other things that are going on with the Matic network, and I'll have to make more updates soon. I'll also be making more videos about the Mainnet dApps. So, get ready for all that, guys. Get ready for EasyFi. If you're interested, totally your choice, not financial advice. This is something I'm going to do. I'll probably make a video about me playing with the protocol. And, yeah, guys, so never give up on the future of money. Take it easy.